Gadget Mania, still with me again with Mandesa. In this video, I will discuss the latest mobile phone from the Samsung brand, namely the Samsung Galaxy A series. There are three series variants, namely Samsung Galaxy A72, A52 and A72. Before we start, as usual, help click the likes and subscribe button so that I am more excited about making the next videos. And the three mobile units can be pre-ordered or purchased at online shop in Indonesia, namely for the Samsung Galaxy A72. There are two variants at price. First variant, RAM 8GB, ROM 128GB, price 5,999,000 Indonesian rupiah. Second variant, RAM 8GB, ROM 256GB, price 6,399,000 Indonesian rupiah. For the Samsung Galaxy A52, there are two variants at price. First variant, RAM 8GB, ROM 128GB, price 4,999,000 Indonesian rupiah. Second variant, RAM 8GB, ROM 256GB, price 5,399,000 Indonesian rupiah. For the Samsung Galaxy A52, there are two variants at a price. First variant, RAM 6GB, ROM 128GB, price 3,599,000 Indonesian rupiah. Second variant, RAM 8GB, ROM 128GB, price 3,799,000 Indonesian rupiah. And if you are interested in one of these three cell phone units, I have prepared the link in my description. Just click directly to the online shop that I recommended. For the Samsung Galaxy A72 on Blibli, the Samsung Galaxy A52 at Shopee, and the Samsung Galaxy A32 on Lazada. Okay, let's just discuss the latest mobile phone from the Samsung brand, namely the Samsung Galaxy A series. Check it out. The Samsung brand has released their latest from mobile phone in Indonesia, namely Series A, on March 17 to 19, 2022. There are three variants at owns, namely Samsung Galaxy A72, Galaxy A52, and Galaxy A32. And I will discuss the three mobile units specification, price, and difference. I started the performance section of the Samsung Galaxy A72 and A52, both of which use the Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G chipset, which run on 8nm fabrication. Very inspired with 6GB and 8GB RAM for the Samsung Galaxy A72, while for the Galaxy A52 with 4GB, 6GB and 8GB RAM. With internal storage using UFS 2.1 technology with a capacity of 128GB and 256GB for the Samsung Galaxy A72 and A52. And the brand is octa-core 2.3 GHz and the Adreno 618 is GPU. The Samsung Galaxy A32 use a chipset from MediaTek Helio G80, which runs on 12nm fabrication, which is paired with 4GB, 6GB and 8GB RAM, with internal storage using UFS 2.1 technology with only 64GB and 128GB capacity. And the brain is octa-core 2.0 GHz as well as the Meli G52 MC2 as the GPU. The three mobile units use the Android 11 operating system only for the Samsung Galaxy A72 and A52. The base is One UI 3.1 as the interface, while the Galaxy A32 is based on One UI 3.0 as the interface. For the screen, the three units of this mobile phone use the Super AMOLED type with a refresh rate of 90 Hz. Only the screen size are different for the Samsung Galaxy A72 6.7 inch, Galaxy A52 6.5 inch and Galaxy A52 6.4 inch. For the resolution, both the Galaxy A72, A52 and A32 are the same, namely Full HD Plus 2400 by 1080 pixels and the aspect ratio of 29 and the protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. And there is a selfie camera for the Samsung Galaxy A72 and A52 with a pencil or Infinity O models, which is located in the middle of the top of the cell phone screen with a 32 megapixel with lens camera resolution. And for the 3D video recording of the cell phone unit on the selfie camera, it has reached 4K at 30 frames per second, while for the Samsung Galaxy A32 in the Infinity U selfie camera model with a camera resolution of only 20 megapixel wide lens. For the back, there is a quad camera with the same shape, only different resolution, namely for the Samsung Galaxy A72, the main camera is 84 megapixel wide lens. There is an always feature 12 megapixel 123 degrees wide angle lens, 8 megapixel telephoto lens with an always feature 3 times optical zoom, 5 megapixel macro lens. For the Samsung Galaxy A52, the main camera is 84 megapixel wide lens. There is an always feature 12 megapixel 123 degree wide angle lens, 5 megapixel macro lens and 5 megapixel depth lens. For the Samsung Galaxy A52, the main camera is 84 megapixel wide lens. There is an always feature 8 megapixel 123 degrees wide angle lens, 5 megapixel macro lens and 5 megapixel depth lens. And there's 3 mobile units for video recording, can record up to 4K at 30 frames per second. For the Galaxy A72, battery 5000 mAh battery with a 25 watts fast charging is implemented. For the Galaxy A52, 4500 mAh battery with 25 watts fast charging is implemented. For the Galaxy A72 battery, 5000 mAh battery with 15 watts fast charging is in blender. The color choice for the three mobile units are all the same, namely AWSM black, AWSM white, AWSM violet, and AWSM blue. The size of the three mobile phones varies. For the Galaxy A72, the length and width are shown in the screen with a thickness of 80.4 mm and a weight of 203 grams. For the Galaxy A52, the length and width is shown on the screen with a thickness of 8.4 mm and weighs 189 grams. For the Galaxy A62, the length and the width as seen on the screen with a thickness of 80.4 mm and weighs 184 grams. The necessary features embedded in this cell phone include dual band Wi-Fi stereo speaker, Bluetooth 5.0, NFC or near field communication. The USB data cable is Type-C 2.0. So open the screen using a fingerprint system on the optical screen, and there is a face sensor. Then both the Samsung Galaxy A72 and Galaxy A52 is equipped with an IP67 soil certificate against dust and water, surplus up to a depth of 1 meter for 50 minutes. Meanwhile, for the Samsung Galaxy A32 is not equipped with an IP67 certificate. And for SIM, both the Samsung Galaxy A72 and Galaxy A52 use a hybrid type SIM, dual SIM active, nano SIM, or one SIM plus one external memory slot. Meanwhile, the Samsung Galaxy A32 use a dedicated SIM type, dual SIM, active nano SIM plus one external memory slot. For the price of the Samsung Galaxy A series mobile phone, I have mentioned the Samsung Galaxy A72, A52 and A32 earlier at beginning of the video. Okay guys, I think that's now for discussion about cell phone from the Samsung A series brand, namely the Samsung Galaxy A72, A52 and A32. Hopefully this will be useful. Finally, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to click the like and subscribe button so that I will be more excited about making the next videos. See you in the next video. Thank you, Rating Gadget Mania.